Hello everyone, welcome to online classes of 7-Star Global School. This is Abhishek Sharma and I am here to teach you English literature of class 5th. Okay, so yesterday we have done with the reading, reading of the chapter number 7, Aladdin and the Magic Lamp, and we have done word meanings and new words as well. Okay, so today I am going to explain this chapter to you, then we will do some exercises and referring to context. Okay, there is no need to do question answer now. I will send that question answers through PDF on the group. Okay, open the page number 58. There was once a poor tailor named Mustafa. He had a son named Aladdin. Aladdin was a good lad. Lad means boy. Okay, small boy, young boy. But he was not at all hardworking. He did nothing but play on the streets to all day with his friends. That's why Mustafa and his wife were worried about him. Okay, as I have told you yesterday, that this is the chapter about a boy whose name was Aladdin, and he found a magical lamp through a wicked person. But how he used it and how the story moves, this we will learn. Okay, so let me explain you. It is a story about a boy whose name was Aladdin, and his father name was Mustafa, who was a tailor. Okay, tailor means wo jo kapda silte hain, darji, tailor. Okay, and he used to live with his parents, and his father name was Mustafa, and Aladdin was not hard working at all. He was a lazy lad, and he used to play with his friends all the day on the streets. For that, his parents were upset, or you can say worried about him. Sadly, one day the tailor died. Aladdin was not able to earn enough to take care of his family and himself. His mother had to spin cotton all day because she had no money to buy food. She loved her son dearly. She believed that as he grew older, he would become wiser and mend his ways. Spin. What is the meaning of spin? To make yarn with cottons or with cotton or wool. ठीक है? धागे बनाना. Yes. And what is the meaning of dearly? Lovable. That means loving one, dear one. Mend his ways means improve one's habit or behavior. अपना आदतों को बदल लेगा. Okay. So what happened? Aladdin's father died one day, and Aladdin was not able to earn enough. Yes, because he was not hardworking at all, and he was so young, so he was not able to earn more. For that, his mother had to work, and she used to work in a factory where she used to make yarn with spinning cotton. Okay, and she loved her son very much, and she was thinking like he is growing up, and when he will grow up, then he will understand and he will improve his habits and his behavior. Okay. Aladdin was walking down the street one day when an old man came up to him and asked, "Are you Mustafa's son Aladdin? Your father was my brother and you looked just like him." The old man said that he wanted to help Aladdin because he was his nephew. Nephew means brothers or sister sons. That means bhatija. Yes, this strange man, however, was not really Aladdin's uncle. He was a wicked magician. Wicked means bad, or you can say a mischievous person, strange person. Okay. So what happened one day? Aladdin was walking on the street, and old man, came to him and asked that you are Mustafa's son. Mustafa was my brother, and for that you are my nephew. I want to help you. He said to Aladdin that he wanted to help him. So, but this strange was not his uncle. Aladdin was not his nephew. That person was a magician, a bad magician who wanted some profit from Aladdin. He wanted to make fool Aladdin. Now see what happened next. The next morning the man took Aladdin to a place outside the town. There he spoke some strange words, repeating them many times. Suddenly, the ground below them opened and a stone trapdoor appeared. What is the meaning of trapdoor? Trapdoor is a hidden door down on a floor. Okay, right. By a sliding a door, you can say जब किसी चीज को slide करके खोला जाए किसी door को, that is also called trapdoor. The old man asked Aladdin to walk down the trapdoor into an underground cave. What is the meaning of cave? गुफा. Okay. होल होता है जो वॉल में बड़े बड़े पहाड़ों के अंदर, दैट्स कॉल्ड केव, गुफा. He told Aladdin that he would find 3 halls at the foot of the steps, and in the last hall there would be a door leading to a garden full of beautiful trees. In that garden, the man continued, Aladdin would find a small shelf with a lighted lamp on it. He was to take the lamp, blow out the light, empty the oil, and bring the lamp up with him. Okay. So next morning, what happened? That wicked man came to Aladdin and he took him with himself to a strange place which was outside of the town. There near a cave, he said some magical words, and that trapdoor opened. Then he instructed Aladdin that you have to go down. There you will find 3 halls, and in the last 3 you have to go in the last hall. There you will that place will lead you to a garden. There you will see so many beautiful trees, and in that garden you will find a lamp. That lamp must be lit up. You have to blow the light. Then you have to empty the oil from the lamp, and you have to bring up that lamp to me. So what happened is Aladdin followed these instructions and found the lamp. He returned to the trapdoor. He reached out to the magician for help. Give me the lamp, ordered the magician. No, first pull me up, cried Aladdin. On hearing this, the man became very angry. He slammed the trapdoor shut and went away. What is the meaning of slammed? When you shut any window or door with force or with in anger, जो होता है ना जब हम गुस्से में दरवाजा वगैरह धड़ाम से बंद कर देते हैं, that is called slam. Okay, leaving Aladdin behind in the dark cave. So what happened? Aladdin followed all the instructions given by that magician. By that he found that lamp from the garden. But when he returned back to the trapdoor, he asked for the help to pull himself up by that trapdoor to the magician. But magician said, first give me that lamp. So Aladdin denied him that I will not give you the lamp. First pull me up. So this made the magician very angry. What he had done? He left Aladdin there in that dark cave, and he returned. Aladdin was trapped. For what is the meaning of trapped? Caught, यानी कि किसी ऐसी जगह पे बंद हो जाना जहाँ से आप निकल नहीं सकते, आपके पास कोई दूसरा रास्ता ना हो. For 2 days he remained in the cave. Then purely by chance means when something is happening by chance which is not planned earlier. Okay, he rubbed the lamp. There was a flash of light and a genie appeared. What is the meaning of genie? Which you have seen already in series and movies, that there is a person, huge kind of man, yes, no, a magical being, you can say, no, not human being, magical being who knows magics or do tricks. So what happened? Genie appeared. I am the genie of the lamp. He said, what can I do for you, master? So what happened? Aladdin caught in that cave, and by chance he rubbed that. He was there for 2 days, and by chance by his hand the lamp rubbed, मतलब lamp घिस गया उसके हाथों से. So what happened? A jinn appeared in front of him. A genie appeared in front of him, and he said that I am the genie of this lamp, and what I can do for you, master. He was asking to Aladdin. Get me out of here, said Aladdin. The genie nodded his head. What is the meaning of nodded? When you move your head like this, up and down. Okay, when you are agree with something, you nod your head. His head and smiled. Aladdin soon found himself standing on the ground above. He ran home as fast as he could. Aladdin's mother was overjoyed to see him. What is the meaning of overjoyed? When you are so happy. Okay, very happy. Aladdin told her what had happened. because he was very hungry, his mother gave him all the food left in the house and told him that there was no more food at home. So what happened next? When he said this to the genie, he said to the genie that get me out of here, that मुझे यहाँ से बाहर निकालो. So genie agreed with it and he smiled, and in a second, in a moment, what happened? Aladdin found himself on the floor, यानी कि वो वापस से सड़क पे आ गया, गुफा से निकल के बाहर, और उसको कुछ समझ में नहीं आया what happened to him. So he was very happy that he came out and he ran so fast to his home. He ran to his home very fast. When Aladdin's mother saw him after 2 days, she was very happy. She was very happy. She was delighted. But then Aladdin told her all the stories what happened in these 2 days with him. So his mother knew that the boy is very hungry. He must be hungry because he must have hungry that time because he was trapped there for 2 days. So what happened? His mother gave him all the food left in the house. Okay. Then she said to him that all the food are done. So we have done with food. There is no food left in the house. Aladdin told his mother, why don't we sell this lamb and buy food with the money? So Aladdin had an idea that why they are not selling this lamb, so they will get some money for food. Turn your page, come to page number 60. That's a good idea, son, his mother replied, but we will get a better price for the lamb if it's clean, because it was burning it was lighted up since so many long. For that it was looking dirty. Yes. So his mother said that it is a good idea, but we must clean it, so we will get better price. So she rubbed the lamp with the cloth to clean it. Once again the genie appeared and said, I am the genie of the lamp. What can I do for you now, master? Please get us some food, said Aladdin. In seconds, plenty of food appeared on silver dishes right in front of them. Aladdin and his mother ate the food and sold the silver dishes. They had enough money now to eat and dress well. So what happened? When she started cleaning the lamp with the cloth, she rubbed it. When she rubbed it, genie appeared again in front of her, in front both of them, and asked that I am the genie of this lamp. What you want, my master, will please order me. Okay, so he asked again the same question, what I can do for you. Then Aladdin asked for some food. So in a minute, in a snap, there was plenty of food in silver dishes. चांदी की प्लेट में बहुत सारे खाने आ गए. So what they have done, Aladdin and his mother ate all the food first, then they have sold those silver plates in the market and they got lots of money. And by that money they have bought enough food and dresses for them. A few days after this, Aladdin happened to see the Sultan's beautiful daughter. He fell in love with her. Aladdin sent his mother to the Sultan's court to ask him if he would allow his mother to marry Aladdin. He sent some dazzling jewels to the Sultan as gift. What is the meaning of dazzling? Shining. Okay, shining jewels to the Sultan as gift. The Sultan was amazed to see them. Amazed means he was very surprised because he was also a king of a kingdom. He was the ruler of a kingdom. So what happened to Aladdin? Aladdin fell in love with the daughter of a sultan when he saw her after some days. Then Aladdin sent her mother to the sultan that please ask to the sultan that will he like to marry me with his girl. And he had sent some gift, dazzling shining jewels with her mother as gift for sultan. So when Sultan saw all the jewels, shining jewels, it made him, surprised. He was very surprised that time. Your son has such fine jewels. तुम्हारे लड़के के पास तो मतलब he said he was like that. आपके बेटे के पास तो बहुत सारे jewels हैं, इतने सारे. Ask him to send 40 servants with 40 golden bowls with more jewels. If you if he can do that, he may marry my daughter. So now Sultan wanted to check Aladdin that he is able to marry with his daughter or not. So he demanded more. He demanded for more jewels. He said that please send 40 servants with 40 golden bowl. That means each must will have a golden bowl in his hand with shiny jewels in it. So then I will allow my daughter to marry your son. Aladdin's mother returned home and told Aladdin what the Sultan wanted. On hearing this, Aladdin rubbed the lamp once more. 40 servants, each carrying a golden bowl filled with sparkling jewels, were then sent to the Sultan. The Sultan was very pleased, but he wanted to test Aladdin further. What is the meaning of further here? Here the meaning of further is more. Wanting more. He asked Aladdin to build a beautiful palace in which his daughter could live in comfort. Aladdin rubbed the lamp and called the genie once more. A beautiful palace appeared. The Sultan was satisfied. What is the meaning of satisfied? When you are truly happy or pleased with something. A grand wedding took place. So what happened next? When Aladdin's mother told him that what happened in the court of Sultan, then Aladdin rubbed the lamp again and genie appeared, and he asked to the genie for the 40 servants, each have golden bowl in their hand with shiny jewels, and genie made all this possible. Then after getting all these things, Sultan wanted more to check Aladdin whether Aladdin is able to keep his daughter happy. So what he did, he asked for a palace to be built. Okay, so what happened? Aladdin again rubbed the lamp and he asked for a palace this time. So when Sultan saw all these things, he had lots of jewels, he had a very beautiful palace, so he was satisfied. Now he is very happy, and what happened? Aladdin married to the princess. Now come to the page number 61. The wicked magician heard about this wedding and came looking for Aladdin because he wanted the magic lamp for himself. So when that wicked magician, जो कि आपको अलादीन को लेकर गया था in that cave, so what happened when he heard about the marriage of Aladdin? He came looking for him because he wanted that magic lamp for himself. When the magician reached the palace gates, Aladdin was not there and his wife was alone. The magician disguised himself as a lamp seller and shouted outside the palace windows. What is the meaning of disguise? When you take appear of someone, or when you take appear of someone to pretend that you are someone else. Like when you wear the costume of Joker to show that you are a Joker. When you wear a clothes of torn clothes, then you look like a beggar. So disguise means भेष बदलना. ठीक है, उसने अपना वेश बदलकर he became a lamp seller and he was shouting outside the palace of Aladdin that new lamps for old, exchange your old lamps for the new one. Now what he did, he started selling lamps. He was shouting that give me your old lamp and take the new one. So the princess did not know about the magical powers of Aladdin's lamp. She exchanged the old and the dirty lamp for a beautiful new shiny lamp. Because that princess didn't know about the magical power of the lamp. So what she did, she gave that old and dirty lamp to the magician and took a new shiny one. The wicked man then rubbed the magical lamp. When the genie appeared, he ordered the genie to move the palace and the princess to Africa. He was sure that Aladdin would never find them in such a faraway place. So what he did, that wicked magician, he rubbed the lamp and ordered the genie, when genie appeared, that shift its palace with the princess to Africa, because he knew that Aladdin will not be able to find them there. So such a far away. So what happened next? When Aladdin came to know what had happened, he went to Africa to look for the princess. When he found her, he gave her a powerful tonic to to pour it into the magician's glass of water at dinner. What is the meaning of tonic here? Is a kind of medicine. Okay, नींद की कोई दवा. If the magician drank it, he would fall into a deep sleep. The princess did as she was told. The magician drank the water and was soon fast asleep. Okay, so what happened is Aladdin, when Aladdin got to know about all these things, he went to Africa looking for princess because he loved princess very much. When he found her, he gave a powerful medicine, sleeping medicine to the princess and instructed her that give this medicine in water to that magician in the dinner. Then he will sleep. So she had done the same whatever Aladdin told him to do. And when this happened, that when the magician drank the water, he slept. He slept fast. Then Aladdin tiptoed. What is the meaning of tiptoed? Quietly, shanti se, chupke se, into the room and took his lamp. He rubbed the lamp and the genie appeared yet again. He ordered him to take them back to real land. The genie nodded his head and smiled. Back in the palace, Aladdin and his princess lived happily forever. So what happened? When Aladdin went into the room of that magician quietly and took that lamp and he rubbed it and asked to genie that to shift them back to their place with the princess. Okay. Then this happened. Genie made this happen. When they came back to their places, they started living happily. Who? Aladdin, his princess, and genie of the magic lamp. Okay. Now we will do one exercise which is given on page number 62. Question zone A. Exercise A. Think quick. Name the person or thing. Number 1 is the poor tailor. What was the name of the poor tailor? He was Aladdin's father, Mustafa. Okay. Exercise 1. Sorry, exercise A is answer number 1 is Mustafa. Correct? Yes. Mustafa. Number 2 is the tailor's son. Who was the tailor's son? Aladdin himself. Yes. Aladdin. Number 3. He disguised himself as a lamp seller. किसने अपने आप को lamp seller में change कर दिया था? It was that wicked magician. Magician. Number 4 is Aladdin found this object underground. Aladdin को underground में गया था, वहाँ पे क्या मिला था? He found a magical lamp. Magic lamp. Magic lamp. Number 5. He asked Aladdin to build a beautiful place. किसने बोला था beautiful palace? Sorry, Aladdin to build a beautiful palace. सुल्तान ने बोला था. Yes. Build a beautiful palace. Number 6. He said, certainly master. Who was he? He was the genie. Okay. Now, come to exercise D. Read the line below and answer the questions that follow. He did nothing but play on the streets with his friends. This is the reference. Through this line we have to answer these questions down there. Number A. Who is he? In this line he did nothing but play on the streets with his friends. Who is he in this line? Aladdin. Aladdin. Yes. Number B. Who did he live with? वो किनके साथ रहता था? He lived with his parents. वो अपने parents के साथ रहता था. Yes. Number C. What did he do all day? वो पूरा दिन क्या करता था? He used to play. Used to play all day. वो सारा दिन अपने friends के साथ खेला करता था. वो number D is what does this line tell you about him? Through this line, what we can understand about the Aladdin, that he was a lazy boy and who did not do any work. Okay, or who did not like to do any work. E and F, this you have to do it yourself, and don't worry about the question answer, that we will send you on WhatsApp group through PDF. Okay, so thank you, have a good day, and I hope this you will like this chapter and this video as well.